Hi everyone, this is Susie. So today we're going to be making some DIY feminine cleanser or private parts cleanser, however you want to call it. This is good for front and back and also for guys. So it's not just for women, okay? So these are the ingredients we'll be using. I have some distilled water, aloe vera juice or liquid, some almond oil, lavender essential oil, castile soap, witch hazel, and rose water. It's very similar to the spray that we did in the previous video. The only thing that changes is the almond oil instead of the tea tree oil. So, and you need a foam dispenser. I like the glass better versus the plastic, but it's up to you. You can use either one, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so I have 1 cup of the aloe vera juice, and I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of the distilled water. And it has to be distilled water. Don't use like tap water or anything like that, okay? So now we add 1/3 of a cup of the rose water and 1/3 of a cup of the witch hazel. Okay, now I have 3 teaspoons of the castile soap, and this is the store-bought. If you're going to use the one that I make, I would probably do 5 or 6 teaspoons and try it out. See if it foams. If it doesn't foam, then you can just add a little bit more to your little container until it foams, because I haven't tried it with this one yet, so I apologize for that. But the 3 teaspoons for this one, it should be good enough, okay? Okay, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of the almond oil. Oops! And I'm going to add 20 drops of the lavender essential oil, okay? Okay, so I'm going to mix this. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Lavender-ish. I'm just going to pour this in. Okay, and then, yay! It worked! So now you use this to wash your private parts, like I said, front and back. It doesn't have a very strong scent at all. It's just like very soft. It just smells like fresh and clean. So yeah, so obviously if you have a bigger container, you can just do double the amount or less if you need less. But I think that's it for today. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.